Meet Andy. Andy is looking to sell his home, but it needs a lot of work. Andy isn't a handyman and doesn't want to deal with paying for and overseeing a bunch of home repairs. He'd rather sell his property as is and not endure the usual hassles that come with working with a real estate agent, like prep work, repairs, and costly fees. Andy contacted Nexus Homebuyers, a local home buying company in Knoxville, Tennessee. It's a trusted business that enjoys creating win-win solutions for homeowners all over the Knoxville area in any condition. The process is easy. Just call or submit your property details and they'll schedule an appointment. During your appointment, they'll discuss the process, tour the property with you, and then make you a fair cash offer. Finally, once you accept the offer, you can pick your closing date. The team at Nexus Homebuyers worked with Andy to show him that there are alternatives to listing with a real estate agent, and selling on his terms was an option. Within a few short days, Andy sold his house and had cash in hand on the closing date he needed, all without lifting a finger on home repairs, making it showroom ready for open houses, or stressing over whether a potential buyer will fall through. Ready to sell your home? Give us a call now at 865-999-0025 or get your free offer on your home at nexushomebuyers.com.